Hello students, now you are learning 4th unit national symbols. Now you are going to learn remaining part, that is other symbols, that is national bird, means that is peacock. Here peacock is our national bird. It is a symbol of beauty and pride. This bird is also protected by the government. Peacocks help our farmers by eating insects and snakes. Here about the national bird peacock. So this is a peacock bird. It looks very beautiful. How the government choose this as a national bird? Peacock, because peacock is our national bird. It is a symbol of beauty and pride. It looks how so beautiful, isn't it? So the government choose this bird as a national bird. This bird is also protected by the government. So the government declared that we should protect such bird. We should not harm, we should not kill that birds. We should protect by this government. And peacocks help our farmers. Here the farmers often they are working in the fields. How could that peacock help the farmers here? Because here farmers working in the fields. That time some creatures, it is by eating insects and snakes. Here some insects harm the crops. So that time the peacock could help the farmers eating insects. It protect that harm the crops by it that insect. So it is eating insects and snakes, isn't it? So like this the peacock helps the farmers, and the government protected this bird. Here in 1963 the peacock was declared the national bird of India because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian traditions. So looks the rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian traditions. So the standard for this choice were many. The bird must be well distributed within the country. So many birds are there, but in that they choose only this bird because of that is it is well distributed within the other country, so it could truly national. It must it must not be confused with the bird emblem of any other nation. So the peacock should be associated with Indian myths, means a story, so that the government declared that the peacock is our national bird. So this is about what? National bird. Next, you are going to learn the national flower. Here, which is our national flower? See, lotus is our national flower. It is found in different colors like pink and white. It grows in marshy areas. A lotus plant has broad leaves and is a symbol of purity and dignity. So this is what national flower. See, you can see in that given picture in that textbook, it is given this is what lotus, how it looks very beautiful. No? So lotus is our national flower. This lotus is our national flower. It is found in different colors. Different colors we can see. The lotus is a different colors flower can see, like pink. No, it looks pink and white. Pink and white color lotus we can see, and it grows in marshy areas. Marshy means here muddy areas or water watery. So always it grows in that muddy, in the water, isn't it? And a lotus plant has broad leaves. It looks how broad leaves, you can see its leaves how the broad, so big, and is symbol of purity and dignity. It is a symbol of purity. and dignity. Dignity means it's a self-respect. So it looks how it's self-respect, and it looks very purity. So this is so that the government declared that lotus is our national flower. About that national flower, when the lotus is a symbol of purity and perfect beauty in many Asian cultures and faiths, but it is somewhat more than that. It symbolizes purity or beauty that holds itself above the mud and water. So it grows in the mud and water. The national flower of a country should tie in with the culture, history, and or heritage. Means there is a tradition of a nation, isn't it? So the lotus symbolizes spirituality. Spirituality means religious or sacred or fruitfulness, and fruitfulness means that healthy growth and wealth and knowledge and illumination means it's a light or its own quality. So the most important thing about lotus is that even after growing in murky means that marshy areas in water, it is untouched. Nobody can touch that. So it is growing in that muddy areas by its impurity. On the other hand, the lotus symbolizes the purity of heart and mind. So that our country declared that flower as a national flower. Lotus is our national flower. So this is about what? National flower. Next you are going to learn the national song. About the national song, our national song Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. This song has been written using both the Bengali and Sanskrit languages. It played a key role in the Swadeshi movement of 1905. Here, our national song. What is our national song? That is Vande Mataram. Our national song is Vande Mataram, was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now, picture also given in this textbook. Just you can see the is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. They have written Vande Mataram. That is now our national song. Here, this song has been written using both Bengali and Sanskrit languages. We can using in a Bengali language and Sanskrit language. Both means two languages we can use, Bengali and Sanskrit languages. It played a key role in the Swadeshi movement. During the 1905, that time started that movement, Swadeshi movement. That time it was played. That time we are using this song Vande Mataram, isn't it? And when that in 1905, that time the people in their struggle for freedom, it has an equal status with the Jana Gana Mana. The first political occasion when it was sung was the 1896 session of the Indian National Congress during the protests against the partition of Bengal, which the British effected in 1905 for both the administrative and political reasons. Vande Mataram became an inspiring song for many Indian revolutionaries. So that time what happened here? When British effected in 1905 both the administrative and political reasons. That time this Vande Mataram, the inspiring song for many Indian revolutionaries. Soon it became a protest song in India's long struggle for independence. So, like this, that national song helps that our Indian revolutionaries. So that time it was declared that the national song, Vande Mataram, is our national song. This is about national song. Next, Next about the national aquatic animal. Here, national aquatic animal. Aquatic means here underwater. The animal could live in underwater. That is aquatic animal. So, which is our national aquatic animal? See, gigantic dolphin was declared as the national aquatic animal on 18 May 2010. It is the symbol of purity of Ganga river as it survives in fresh water. It is found in Ganga, Meghana, Brahmaputra and Karnapuli rivers distributed in Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh besides India. So in that we can see that national aquatic animal. So here the gigantic dolphin, that is what? That is gigantic dolphin. See now how it is living in water. You can see here. This is a gigantic dolphin. It is our national aquatic animal. It was declared as the national aquatic animal. That is national aquatic animal on 18 May 2010. It is the symbol of beauty of Ganga river. The symbol of beauty of Ganga river as it survives in fresh water. It does live always in fresh water and also it can found in Ganga, river Ganga, Meghana, Brahmaputra and Karnapuli rivers. In these rivers we can see that animal, and also even in that Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh besides India we can also could see. Here that the national aquatic animal, it is a uh, that is what? Dolphin as the national aquatic animal on 18th May 2010. This mammal is also said to represent the purity of holy Ganga as it can only survive in pure and fresh water. Also it can live only in fresh water as dolphin have a fairly thick body and its body is very thick with a light gray and its color is light gray brown skin. Its body is light gray brown skin often with take on color of pink. Often it take offer that different other colors like a pink color looks. And this mammal has a forehead that rises steeply. Now it has a forehead and steeply and has very small eyes and its eyes is looks very small eyes. And dolphins are solitary creature. Solitary means alone. Is living very alone, not in the group. So it is a solitary creature. It is an animal, isn't it? Then the species, this species means different like inhabits like parts of Ganga, Meghana and Brahmaputra river in India and Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh and Karnapuli river in Bangladesh besides India also this animal could see. So this is about what? National aquatic animal. Thank you.